Hi guys, this is the hottest Punjabi chef on internet, Chef Prateek Dhawan, and today I'm going to make another curry dish from our neighboring country. I call it Karachi Reshmi Handi. So let's start cooking. First, I'm going to add some oil. As the oil starts heating up, I'm going to start adding in chicken in it. I'm using boneless chicken breast piece for this recipe as they go perfectly for the dish. And with the chicken also I'm going to add in some ginger garlic paste and saute it for a few minutes. And once the color of the chicken changes, it's time to add the spices. First I'm going to add some salt. With that, coriander powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder and garam masala. Now mix it nicely with the chicken. To avoid the masala from getting burned, I'm going to add little water. And I'm going to cook till the rawness of the masala goes away. And once the rawness of the masala is gone, I'm going to add some onion slices. And with that, some julienne of capsicum. And chopped chili. I'm going to lower the flame now and cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. At this stage, I'm going to add some lemon juice and some butter. This will give good richness and shine to the gravy. Guys, Karachi Reshmi Handi is almost ready, but I want to give a nice smoking effect to it. That's why I'm heating up a coal. I'm going to keep a small bowl in the center and let's pick up the coal and keep it on top of it. I'm going to sprinkle some kasuri methi on top and last some ghee and quickly close it. Guys, the smoking part is already done. As you can see, you can feel the fragrance of the smoke. Now I'm going to remove it out. Now I'm going to do the finishing. In that, I'm going to add some cream and give a nice mix to it. And to finish the dish, I'm going to add in some grated cheese. And cook the chicken for at least 1 more minute. Let the cheese nicely melt in the chicken. Let's start plating. And to finish off the chicken, I'm going to garnish it with red chili flakes and freshly chopped coriander. And there you go guys, our Karachi Reshmi Handi is now ready. You also do try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.